Hello, welcome to II Product Introduction. The product we are going to present today is ITG-100-AI. I'm Judy, the product manager, and I will be your host. So the spotlight today is IEI's brand new box PC, ITG-100-AI, an ultra-compact AI edge computing device. Let's take a look at the basic features first. This small giant is a fanless DIN rail embedded system developed to fulfill increasingly demanding small-sized box PC market and intensively growing requirement for AI solution. Don't underestimate the capability because of its mini volume. ITG-100-AI is equipped with Intel Atom Echo 3930 CPU. It has all the basic I/Os to offer: LAN ports, serial ports, display output, USB ports, and also included expansion slots for a Wi-Fi function. And if you are interested in a higher performance CPU with quad core, the product is also available for E3940 with completely the same features and same working temperature. The most incredible thing about ITG-100-AI is that it has built-in VPUs allow the small giant run as AI inference workstation. So there is a mini PCIe form factor module card, Mustang MPCIe MX2, pre-installed in the system, and 2 VPUs are placed on the module card. VPU, which stands for Vision Processing Unit in short, its ability is to boost the system so it could run AI faster and achieve higher power efficiency. It is best suited for low power consumption applications such as surveillance, retail, and transportation. Later on, after the product introduction, we have a short demo showing what ITG-AI could do. I think this should give you a better picture. To speak more about this mini PCI module card, as you can see from the photo above, these 2 Intel Movidius Myriad X VPUs could dedicate deep neural network topologies. With the advantage of power efficiency and high performance, it is perfect to be implemented in AI edge computing device, such as ITG-100-AI, to reduce total power usage, providing longer duty time for the rechargeable edge computing equipment. And just for your information, Mustang MPCIe MX2 is fully developed and manufactured by IEI team. As the main dish for today is not the module card, I will stop here. If you are interested in the module card or curious whether IEI has other VPU products to offer, and the answer is yes, we have left our contact info at the end. Please reach us. Back to the subject, you may wonder how can this small device satisfy storage requirements? Well, don't worry. IEI got it all sorted out. We have fully utilized the space, the more the merrier we believe, so we provide 3 options. First, 128 GB SATA DOM is included, installed right next to the VPU card. Second, a micro SD card slot is available at the side of the device. And last but not least, there is always a space for an optional eMMC 5.0, which can support up to 32 GB. Now the next 3 slides is about demonstrating the cosmetic and I/Os of ITG-100-AI, but I think it is better to show it directly as the device is already standing by, waiting to be unveiled. So here's the leading role today. As you can see, clean and simple outlines, and it is really small, only the size of my palm. We've selected 2 colors, navy blue and silver, to represent the coolness and solidness of high-end technology. The symmetric heatsink design is not just only for displaying balanced beauty, but also has taken functionality into account. I will show you in a bit. So the I/Os are placed at 2 sides. The power button, USBs, LAN, and serial ports are at the front. The power input and VGA at the top. ITG-100-AI is designed to be compatible with 2 types of mounting. Either install the machine upright like this using DIN rail, or set it down this way with wall mount. Now, let's go back to the slides and take a look at the internal architecture. I was talking about the two heat sinks are not just only for aesthetic purpose. This heat sink on the bottom is for CPU, and the one opened is for VPU. As you can imagine, when the VPU module card is running, it also generates heat. So this entire heat sink is designed to dissipate exclusively for VPU. After all these introduction of ITG-100-AI, we would like to show you a short demo so you can have a better picture of what ITG-AI can do. This is the demo about ITG-100-AI working together with Mustang MPC-IE MX2. We will be showing you two applications. The topology we are using for this demonstration is RMNet SSD. The first demo, as you can see on the left, the application scenario is traffic control. The system will identify and classify the objects running on the road, whether it is a car or a motorcycle, and counts how many vehicles have passed by. As you can see, yellow indicates car and red for motorcycles. The colors and what objects are to be identified could all be customized according to user preference. The second demo is applied to driver wariness detection. In some cases, such as trucks or Greyhound drivers, they have high chances to drive long distance, and this could get really tired. So the system can detect whether the driver is getting tired by catching how many times the driver has blinked or yawned. Let me show it to you. So you can see when every time I blinked or yawned, the number would go up here. And there are two indicators on the bottom right. The left one indicates drowsiness, which means if the driver blinked or yawned too much, the indicator would go up. The right one indicates distraction. Normally when you drive, you should always look to the front, but if you got distracted somehow and starting to look around, the distraction indicator will go up. And when reaching certain points, the system would trigger the alarm. So the alarming point can also be customized by user preference. Now, this is our demo for ITG-100-AI, and let's go back to the slides. After the demonstration of ITG-100-AI, at the end, I would like to point out some of the important factors of this product that I have not brought about throughout this video. It supports a 9 to 36 volt DC input. The operating temperature ranges from 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. It has passed rigid shock and vibration test, and of course, ITG-100-AI is certified with CE and FCC standards. So this is all for today. I hope I have somewhat brought your interest to this outstanding small giant ITG-100-AI. If you want to know more about our products, you can visit IEI official website or contact us. You can also follow IEI's other social media accounts to get the latest product information and company news. Don't miss the premiere on every Monday at 8:00 a.m. Welcome to comment and share this video. Thank you for staying with us today. See you next time.